Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Rare and Zip packing or unpacking app on your Poco C40. So in order to do this, let's open up our Google Play Store. Here we want to find an app called Rare, R-A-R, hit the search button. Now select it and download it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to open it. From here, grant its all file access. Go back. And here the app is ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.